All right, everyone, a quick update on Velo. So Velodrome here, still holding up from the last update. You can see low to the high came down to the 786 support here at 5.1, and it's ultimately still holding over the 382. We still have that market structure in play where it's still keeping the higher lows, especially if you go look down on the smaller time frames here. So as long as you're holding over the macro 382 after hitting on both of these wicks, pretty much the 786 area here, it looks extremely well for a bottom being put in here on Velo, at least in my opinion. So as long as you're holding the uptrend, as long as you're holding over the 382 at 6.3, we're currently at 6.5, very well could start moving right back up here. And the next price to beat, of course, is going to be the 0.5 at 0.79, pretty much 8 pennies. That is a 22-23% move. And then, of course, the 618 would be next after that at almost 10 pennies and a 54% move. So very well could be bottomed out here for Velodrome. So simply just watch that support level. If it is going to break this support level and hit the macro 236, then from where you are now, if we have more downside, you could expect this thing to drop about 27-28%. But there's nothing here on the chart telling me that this thing wants to break down. We have the lower highs, that market structure. We hit the 786. We're holding over the 3.2. Very good looking here for a bottom. Now, with that being said, how high is Velo going to go here? So if Velo comes up to the 1618, half a billion market cap here, up to 70 cents, that's where you're going to get a decent 10x out of this thing. And then we have our two high targets here. You can see the top one here at a 3.5 billion market cap up to the 2618 at about almost $5, 4.95 there. That's where you're going to get a 76, almost a 77x on your investment here. And if you think Velodrome can hit a $2 billion market cap, that's where you're going to get a decent almost 39x at about 251 at that 272 and that market cap there. So a couple of targets here to watch. And if you want to be more conservative, you can see the new high target here at the 1272. So if you want a place to take profit out, you can see almost a guaranteed 5x up to 35 cents. So this 35-cent range would be a good target to take a bunch of profit out and let the rest of your position, of course, ride to these higher market caps here. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.